this is just a quick review of how we can find angles really quick, and especially when we have two parallel lines cut by a transversal, we come up with alternate interior angles. So I'm going to quickly show you which ones are alternate interior. So if you look, these two angles are the same because they have the same angle marks, and this angle right here is the same as this one as 6 because those are alternate interior angles. Okay, so let's go ahead and find, do you want to find some of them?
Sure.
You want to find them? Okay, so another trick is we know that if two angles make a straight line, it's 180. So 120 degrees and 3 make 180. So we go 180 minus 120, which is 60 degrees.
Good.
So angle 3 is 60 degrees. And then we also have 120 and angle 2 equal 180, and also angle 2 and angle 3 are vertical, so 2 is also 60 degrees. That looks like it's negative 60, which it is not. 60 degrees. And then we know that angle 2 and angle 4 are alternate interior, right? So angle 4 would also be 60 degrees. And then angle 4 and angle 1 make a straight line. So this one would, angle 1 would be 120. And then this is the part that I got stuck on.
What I really like about this problem is, can anybody tell me what would be 5 and 6 together?
Oh, they would be, I know. They would be 120 degrees.
Absolutely.
Because 2, 5, and 6 make a straight line.
Perfect. And we already kind of have an idea about what this angle is because of the 90, and so this is 90 down below. And then what I like is the two markings at the beginning that Ms. Perez told us that they were the same. And so if we say 90 cut in half, that would have to be 45 and 45, which then helps us with angle 6.
How did we know this was 90?
Because of the box up above and two parallel lines cut by a transversal.
Okay, great.
So it works out.
Everything is 90, so that's 45 degrees. So then, this has 6 is also 45 degrees.
Perfect.
Which is nice. And then 60 plus 45 is 105. And then 180 minus 105 is 75, right? So 5 is 75 degrees.
Once you have, you know, two of the angles of a triangle, you've got lots of different methods of going to get it. Like the triangle itself adds up to 180. We could have went that way of 180. It's just, it really is pretty neat once you start finding a couple of the angles. But the key is at the beginning, Ms. Perez said alternate interior angles are created by two parallel lines cut by transversal. And there's 3 transversals on this problem. There's this one, there's this diagonal one, and then this diagonal one. And all 3 of them help us find all those things.